Recently, I just bought this from Amazon. Dash mandoline, safe mandoline. It's show like this. So it says in here it can make 30 different cuts, slice, dice, and julienne at any thickness. Easy to use. Just press down the spring-loaded handle to slice in second. No loose blade. Durable materials. Safe cleaning. So I have mandoline before. This is really trusty, sharp, and nice. The problem with mandoline is you have to really careful with your hand while you slice. Getting closer, you have to careful. This one, it says safe. There's a funnel to put the vegetables or anything you want to cut, and there's a pusher. So this is just like food processor, only manual. Let's open. This is first time I open.